time is it? Becky, get down here! You have a soccer game! It's raining! Come on! We're gonna be late! Get dressed! We're going into the car! Mom, turn on the news! All this news channel.
Tonight, entire towns have been wiped out.
Oh, God.
Mississippi. A local mayor says this is our tsunami.
Let's go, Becky! We gotta go! Get in the car!
It's definitely canceled.
What the dickens? Don't cheat the bride. Let's go, Becky!
I'm coming to you live from New Orleans, August 31st, 2005. Massive rainstorms and thunder coming our way. There is Hurricane Katrina coming. Hail and thunderstorms, watch out. We gotta get to the game. Mom, the back porch is gone.
Oh my God!
Mom, look, I've been practicing my kick.
Come on, Becky, we don't have time for this. Oh,
You know what?
we're done. Let's go.
Oh my God! Look at the sky! It's changing colors! Hail! Ah! What the hell? Hi, it's me, Lindsey Nakòff. I'm coming in today in the field, trying to get some citizen point of views of this storm. Ma'am, would you like to come over here and speak about your experience? Come on, get in here. Why do you think this storm is coming so fast?
It's the rapture! The devil's coming!
Okay, Justin.
Not today, Satan!
Justin, the reasoning behind the storm is Satan
It's the
himself.
devil!
The water levels are rising in New Orleans. People are taking shelter on high ground to avoid the floodwaters. Stay safe, guys. Find high ground. Avoid bathtubs. Get out of the way! Oh, so much traffic. Oh wait, I think it's a coach. Hey boo. Oh, sorry. Hey, okay, so we're on the way to the game, but I don't... This just in. The Little League soccer game between the Hurricanes and the Cyclones is now canceled. How ironic. But now, we are here with Mr. Wong, the coach. Hello, Mr. Wong.
Hi, how are you?
Why was the soccer game canceled?
Are you crazy? It's raining cats and dogs out here!
Oh! This just in! 175 miles per hour winds coming towards us in New Orleans! Get inside! Stay protected!
Hello, I'm Lindsey Nakòff, and I am one of the few survivors of Hurricane Katrina. And I am gathered here today with two other survivors of Hurricane Katrina to tell their story. So, little Becky, what happened?
Well, it was raining.
So, there are many casualties here today. Oh my god, there's one now! Coach, watch!
Be like, Becky, get up.
I'm gonna go like this and be like,
Just say get up. I'm gonna be like, Mom, I have a soccer game and it's raining.
oh no! Molly!
I don't know what I'm supposed to say. I can tell.
Ready?
I guess.